بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Blessed is he in whose hand is the dominion of the universe and who has power over everything.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
Who created death and life that he might try you as to which of you is better indeed. He is the most mighty, the most forgiving.
الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
Who created the 7 heavens one upon another? You will see no incongruity in the Merciful One's creation. Turn your vision again. Can you see any flaw?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Then turn your vision again, and then again. In the end, your vision will come back to you worn out and frustrated.
وَلَقَدْ زَيَّنَّا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحَ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا رُجُومًا لِلشَّيَاطِينِ وَأَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابَ السَّعِيرِ.
We have adorned the lower heaven with lamps and have made them a means to drive away the Satans. We have prepared for them the chastisement of the blazing fire.
وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
The chastisement of hell awaits those who disbelieve in their Lord. What a wretched destination!
إِذَا أُلْقُوا فِيهَا سَمِعُوا لَهَا شَهِيقًا وَهِيَ تَفُورُ.
When they will be cast into it, they will hear it roar as it boils.
تَكَادُ تَمَيَّزُ مِنَ الْغَيْظِ كُلَّمَا أُلْقِيَ فِيهَا فَوْجٌ سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
As though it will burst with rage. Every time a multitude is cast into it, its keepers will ask them, "Did no warner come to you?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will say, "Yes, a warner came to us, but we gave the lie to him and said, Allah has revealed nothing. You are surely in huge error."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
They will say, "If we had only listened and understood, we would not be among the inmates of the blazing fire."
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
Thus will they confess their sins. Damned are these inmates of the blazing fire.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Surely, forgiveness and a mighty reward await those who fear Allah without seeing Him.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Whether you speak in secrecy or aloud, it is all the same to Allah. He even knows the secrets that lie hidden in the breasts of people.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Would he not know He who has created when He is all subtle, all aware?
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
He it is who made the earth subservient to you, so traverse in its tracks and partake of the sustenance He has provided. To Him will you be resurrected.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Do you feel secure that He who is in the heaven will not cause the earth to cave in with you, and then suddenly it will begin to rock violently?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Do you feel secure that He who is in the heaven will not let loose upon you a storm of stones? Then shall you know what my warning is like.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
Those who came before them also gave the lie to the messengers. Then how awesome was my chastisement.
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبضن ما يمسكن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Have they not seen birds above them spreading and closing their wings, with none holding them except the Merciful One? He oversees everything.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ.
Which is your army that will come to your aid against the merciful Lord? But the unbelievers are in utter delusion.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ.
Who shall provide for you if He withholds His sustenance? Nay, but they persist in rebellion and aversion.
أَفَمَن يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَىٰ أَمَّن يَمْشِي سَوِيًّا عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُّسْتَقِيمٍ.
Who is better guided, he who walks groveling on his face, or he who walks upright on a straight path?
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي أَنشَأَكُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ.
Say, He it is who has brought you into being, and has given you hearing and sight, and has given you hearts to think and understand. How seldom do you give thanks?
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي ذَرَأَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
Say, Allah it is who multiplied you in the earth, and to Him you will be mustered.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
They say, if you are truthful, tell us when will this promise of the hereafter be fulfilled.
قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
Say, Allah alone knows about that, and I am no more than a plain warner.
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
When they will see it near at hand, the faces of all those who had denied it will be distraught, and then they will be told, this is the doom which you used to ask for.
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم.
Say to them, did you ever consider whether Allah destroys me and those that are with me, or shows mercy to us? Who can protect the unbelievers from a grievous chastisement?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say to them, He is merciful, and it is in Him that we believe, and it is in Him that we put all our trust. Soon will you know who is in manifest error.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say to them, did you even consider if all the water that you have in the wells were to sink down into the depths of the earth? Who will produce for you clear, flowing water?